To transfer photos and videos from your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max to a Windows PC using a cable, connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB-C to USB-C cable. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust this computer when prompted. On your PC, open File Explorer. Your iPhone should appear as a portable device or your iPhone's name. Navigate to internal storage, album folders. Then, simply drag and drop or copy-paste your desired photos and videos from these folders to your PC. The iPhone 17 uses USB 3.2 Gen 2, supporting speeds up to 10 GB/s, but real-world transfer speeds depend on file size and PC hardware, typically 1 to 5 GB/s. If your PC doesn't recognize your iPhone, ensure you have the latest version of iTunes or the Apple Devices app installed from the Microsoft Store. Driver conflicts can sometimes occur, especially on older systems. Keep your iPhone's iOS updated, as updates often include driver improvements and bug fixes. For HEIC photos, Windows 11 natively supports them. Older versions may require a codec or conversion. Cable transfers are secure, encrypting data in transit, and are ideal for large files or when you prioritize data privacy over wireless methods. While wireless transfers are becoming more popular, cable transfers remain reliable, especially in areas with poor connectivity or when avoiding cloud storage limitations.